Good evening, Richmond County, and welcome to your Thursday edition of Live at 5. I'm Sarah Minks. Well, Richmond County health officials say there are not yet any cases of COVID-19. The virus that has the world virtually shut down is getting closer to home. Moore County is reporting its first case of the coronavirus. FirstHealth of the Carolinas put out a press release stating that OB/GYN physician John Byron learned of his positive test on March 18th. Byron of Southern Pines Women's Health Center first exhibited symptoms on Tuesday. According to the press release, his last contact with any patients was on Friday morning. It is believed that the infection was acquired related to recent travel to Germany. Upon learning that Germany was added to the CDC's list of high alert countries, Dr. Byron began self-quarantine. Moore County Health Department staff are monitoring and will follow up with anyone who is identified as a close contact, according to the release. The CDC defines close contact as being within 6 feet for 10 minutes or more. FirstHealth infectious disease expert Paul Joanna said they believe that Dr. Byron would have been in an early incubation period and less likely to be infectious during contact with patients and staff. Joanna and other infectious disease experts believe COVID-19 is most infectious during early symptoms or perhaps 1 to 2 days prior to the onset of those symptoms. Earlier in the day, Richmond County Health Director Dr. Tommy Jarrell said that 30 residents here have been tested. Of those, 19 results have returned negative. The state total is nearing 100, with 97 confirmed cases and 22 as of 9:45 a.m. Thursday. Johns Hopkins University's coronavirus tracker shows 119 for North Carolina at 1:30 p.m. Durham County has overtaken Wake with the highest number of cases at 32. Wake has 22 and Mecklenburg has 13. Despite not having any cases, 2 towns within 50 miles of Richmond County have instituted curfews, according to WPDE. The television station reports the small town of Gibson in Scotland County has issued a curfew starting Wednesday at 10 p.m. to 6 a.m., and the Robinson County town of Fairmont has a curfew from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. for children under 17. With the help of school administrators and staff, Richmond County Schools is saying they have had a successful start with their 17 meal sites, serving over 2,600 breakfasts and lunches Monday and over 4,300 meals Tuesday to children at designated meal sites. In an effort to provide more breakfasts and lunches to students, beginning Friday, March 20th, RCS will start sending buses on routes to deliver food. Any Richmond County school children under the age of 18 may pick up a breakfast and lunch at the bus stop closest to their home. If you have a question about which bus stop your child should go to for meals or would like to be added to the route, you can contact the Richmond County Schools Transportation Department at 910-997-9841. RCS says it is difficult to estimate what time the bus will be at each stop, but buses will begin their delivery routes at approximately 10 a.m. Hamlet City Manager Jonathan Blanton is leaving again. Blanton is moving to the small town of Ranlow in Gaston County, just outside of Gastonia, and will serve as the town's first administrator, according to a press release. The town's Board of Commissioners voted March 12th to amend its charter to adopt the council manager's style of government and hire Blanton to head it up. The release states Ranlow, a former mill village, which had a population of just more than 3,400 according to the 2010 census, has seen significant growth in the past decade because of its proximity to Charlotte. Blanton has served as a city manager in Hamlet for the better part of the past 3 years, having been hired in January of 2017. He announced his resignation nearly a year ago to take a job at UNC Charlotte as Director of Business Affairs and Finance, where he was to oversee an $18 million budget, as well as personal and business operations for the university's graduate school. However, after staying on as an interim manager, he was rehired in June at $90,000 per year. There was no resignation date or start date on either the letter or press release. Effective today, state employees' credit union branches statewide will temporarily transition to drive-through only for the majority of its services to reduce the possibilities of transmission of the coronavirus. Members who need to access safe deposit boxes, drop off tax return information, or inquire about a loan should call the branch to schedule an appointment. While SECU is closing branch lobby access for branches with a drive-through to help protect the community, SECU remains open for business to make loans, take deposits, and provide other financial services to its members during this time of uncertainty. Governor Roy Cooper has announced that 211 is the number to call for assistance and resources related to the COVID-19 coronavirus. And C211 is an information and referral service operated by United Way of North Carolina, where families and individuals can obtain free and confidential information on health and human service resources within their community 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Resources are available in most languages. North Carolinians can also text COVIDNC to 898211 to receive general information and updates about COVID-19. The public comment period for the amended rule, which explains the Executive Director's emergency powers, begins today and ends April 20th. The State Board Executive Director may exercise emergency powers to conduct an election in a district where the normal schedule for the election is disrupted by a natural disaster, extreme inclement weather, or armed conflict. They can then adopt rules describing the emergency powers and the situation in which the emergency powers will be exercised. The amended rule would clarify that a catastrophe arising from natural causes, including a disease epidemic or other public health incident that makes it difficult or impossible to reach a polling place or creates a risk of physical harm. A public hearing will be held at 1 p.m. on April 20th in Raleigh. The meeting may change to a telephonic meeting. If that determination is made, an update notice will be sent out. When we return, we've got your Live at 5 weather report. It's coming up right after the break, so stay tuned.
JC's in Rockingham has you covered for used appliances, parts, trailers, and storage. We have one of the largest selections of reconditioned washers, dryers, and refrigerators in the Sand Hills, and we offer free delivery to residents inside Richmond County. Come check out our variety of trailers for any hauling job and our storage buildings for the things you need out of the weather or house. We also carry parts and accessories for appliances, trailers, truck beds, and can order the things you need. That's JC's on South Hancock Street in Rockingham.
Hometown heroes? Well, maybe. When it comes to backyard comfort and no pesky mosquitoes, call Brown Termite and Pest Control at 910-895-6410 or 910-276-8870. Their team of superheroes can take back control of your paradise. That's 910-895-6410 today.
McNair Auto Sales is the place to buy your pre-owned car, truck, or van. To be the best, it takes big selection, friendly staff, and great pricing. We guarantee a no-hassle buying experience, and financing is available right on site. So come see us today. We're located at 1026 East Broad Avenue in Rockingham. And remember, with over 40 years of experience, you know McNair is the name you can trust.
At Richmond County Hospice, we strive to provide high-quality care to our patients and their families. Whether it's the incredible hospitality at the Haven House or from the comfort of your own home, you can count on Hospice to be there for you. We also offer monthly grief support groups, and our chaplain will be there to hold your hand in prayer. Through our amazing staff and our volunteers, Hospice has made difficult times easier for our community. Call the number on your screen if you feel that you or your loved one may benefit from our services. Richmond County Hospice. Peace, comfort, dignity.
Do you want a healthcare career? Certified medical assistants are multi-skilled healthcare professionals capable of completing administrative and clerical tasks, making them a valuable member of the healthcare team at medical clinics, doctors' offices, and other healthcare facilities. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, The employment of medical assistants is projected to grow 23% over the next 8 years, much faster than the national average. At Richmond Community College, our medical assisting students are trained in our cutting-edge Simulation Learning Center, giving them hands-on experience with high-fidelity mannequins that simulate real-life patient interaction. In addition to clinical skills, our students also receive instruction in scheduling appointments, coding, processing insurance accounts, billing, collections, and medical transcription. Complete the medical assisting program in just 2 years and start your lifelong career today. Visit www.richmondcc.edu to learn more about enrolling in the medical assisting program at Richmond Community College, or call 910-410-1700.
Your Live at 5 weather report is brought to you by RO Yellow, Richmond County's new online business directory. Happy Thursday, everybody. Hope you're having a great day. It is magnificent outside. In fact, it's so nice. I decided to come outside and do the weather report. You got downtown Rockingham behind me. Wonderful weather all day long. Got a little bit of a breeze, the sunshine out today, some clouds for coverage. Just overall, really nice day. And that nice weather is going to continue tonight into the evening. We're seeing 7 o'clock at 76 degrees with partly cloudy skies. 9 o'clock, it's going to be 71 degrees, and that sunset's going to be dropping at 7:30 p.m. tonight. So overall, really nice evening today. And looking at tomorrow, even nicer weather, and mid to low 80s tomorrow for the high. Fayetteville, high of 85, low of 67. Rayford will be seeing a high of 85, low of 66. Lumberton will be seeing a high of 84, low of 67. All up in Moore County, it'll be a high of 84, low of 66. And if you're in Richmond County area, LRB is going to be seeing a high of 84, low of 65. Rockingham and Hamlet, the same temperature. Bennettsville will be seeing a high of 85, low of 67. And across the PD in Wadesboro, it'll be a high of 84, low of 65. Partly cloudy skies all day long once again tomorrow. But that's all going to end very, very soon, because on 7-day forecast, you can see here, we have rain pretty much for the next 6 out of the 7 days. Friday will be partly cloudy skies with a high of 84, low of 65. And then on Saturday, we have rain coming along, high of 76, low of 52, with a 40% chance of precipitation throughout the day and the evening. And those chances continue on into Sunday. 30% chance in the afternoon, so most likely not any on Sunday, but in the evening, a 70% chance it increases there. High of 57, low of 49. And then on Monday, to start the work week, high of 60, low of 45, with more rain on the way. Tuesday, continuing on with that rain temperature, precipitation. High of 65, low of 52. And then on Wednesday, the rain is coming along once more. That should be the last day though. High of 73, low of 53, with a 50% chance of precipitation. No chance in the evening, however. And then Thursday, looking pretty nice as well. Kind of similar to what we're seeing today. It'll be a high of 76, low of 62. So overall, a really, really nice day today, tomorrow. We're looking like we're going to have a lot of rain coming up for the next few days, but should return back to some nice weather once more. But that's going to do it for tonight's Live at 5. Hopefully you all have a wonderful evening. I'm Russell Parker for Live at 5. Good night.